Hello and welcome to Michelle's World again. Today I'm going to bake a 3-layer pineapple coconut cake. It's delicious, it's great for the summer, it's got a little bit of mint on it, and it's wonderful. Come with me to my kitchen and let's begin. You'll need 1 can of 16 ounces or 400 grams of crushed pineapple. Butter 3 cake pans. Line the cake pans with parchment paper. Your oven is preheated to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius. If you don't have 3 cake pans, you can bake the cake in 1 pan, but then you'll have to slice the cake into 3 parts. 3 cups of sifted cake flour. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well and set it aside. You'll need 1 cup and 3/4 of coconut milk. Pour into a bowl and mix well. 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 10 drops of concentrated coconut extract, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple. Mix all the ingredients very well and set it aside. Add 1 cup or 225 grams of softened butter into a bowl and whip until creamy. Add 1 cup of sugar gradually into the butter and whisk until very well combined. Add 3 eggs into the butter and sugar, 1 at a time. Add 1 cup of flour, followed by 1/3 of the coconut liquid. Continue this process until you're done. Pour 1/4 cup of liquid from the can of pineapples. Make sure that the last thing you pour into the bowl is flour and not the liquid. Add 1 cup of dry ground coconut and mix until smooth. Pour the batter into the 3 pans, dividing the content evenly in 3. Remember when I told you to add 1 cup of ground coconut into the batter? Well, I had forgotten to do that. So now I'm adding 1/3 cup of ground coconut into each one of my pans. Shake in order to settle the batter evenly into the pan. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius. Pour 1 cup of dry ground coconut into a pan and toast until light golden brown. Transfer into a bowl and let the toasted coconut cool down. After 35 minutes of baking, my cake layers are ready. In order to know if your cake layers are ready, put a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, then your cake is ready. If it comes out coated with batter, it needs to go back into the oven for a few more minutes and then test it again. Whip 1.5 cups of heavy cream and add 1 cup of confectionery sugar gradually. Whip until it becomes nice and thick for the icing. Splash pineapple liquid from the can on each cake layer. Now it's time to decorate. Spread a layer of icing. Make it as thin or as thick as you like. Top with crushed pineapple. And repeat. Cover the entire cake with icing. Add pineapple on the top. Sprinkle toasted coconut all over the rest of the cake. This is Raffaello. Coconut balls with a wafer, coconut cream, and a hazelnut in the center. They're delicious. Place them on the cake for garnish. Add shredded mint leaves. Trust me on this one. It makes the cake even better. Et voilà, mes amis, a beautiful pineapple coconut cake. Yummy. Here's a piece of cake for you. Enjoy it. This cake is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this video making coconut pineapple cake. It's wonderful for the summer. You really should try it and let me know how it worked. And please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Michela's World. See you again soon. Bye-bye.